Alright, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how to get into MyLab. So if you click on whatever course you're in, you should be able to now go to MyLab on Blackboard, and then let's see, you should be able to enter student view. You should be able to click on something like this where you can click on it and then register. So then this is how you'll access your homework for the semester. Your homework, you'll have homework due after every class period, before the next class period. We meet Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So hopefully this kind of gives you guys an idea of how to do it. If you haven't bought a code yet, you'll need to buy a code from the bookstore and add the code eventually. But whenever you're signing up right now, you could do, let's see, you can do a temporary access. So let's say you need to create an account, whenever you go to buy, purchase, Pearson, there should be a way to click on, here you go, this image right here. Right here, whenever this pops up, you can click on this little blue, get temporary access for 14 days. Alright, hope that helps.